All right, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys the funnel here. Okay, I just created a brand new funnel for our Save Club team, and obviously, as you know, we've got this funnel already and this one here. So these funnels are really converting. Okay, this is a one I created before, and this one as well. And a lot of people got very excited about this and said it's really helping and really converting. Now I've just created this one as well, so you'll be able to get access to this. And it's a two-step opt-in. Okay, what do I mean by that? So when they click on the link here, a pop-up window comes. So you'll get all these share codes, and I'll show you where you're going to be able to get those share codes. Just keep listening, keep watching. So before I go any further, guys, please do me a favor. I want you to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you give me a like. All right, that helps the channel. That's what really motivates me to keep putting out this free content for you guys. Okay, so you're all going to be able to get access to this. You don't necessarily have to be in my Save Club downline in order to get access to these. But hopefully, we will partner up in some way, shape, or form. At the very least, by all means, click on the link below and you'll get access to my MLM Lead Pro. It's in the back office of MLM Lead Pro. This is my free marketing system. We've got SaveClub in there as well. And we've got a lot of good value here. So if you go down to the bottom here, you'll get access to the bonus content, and you'll be able to unlock that for free. And you'll be able to go down here and you'll be able to see the share codes right here, and you'll be able to copy those to clipboard. What I've also got is I've got email follow-up series that I've added to, because I had the 1 week worth of the series already set up, but I've continued adding to those, and we've got actually 30 days worth of series. Now obviously they don't go out all on every single day, and you wouldn't want that, but they go out every single day on the first week. Okay, and then after that it goes out in dribs and drabs. Okay, it doesn't, we're not, at this stage, I mean, you can do anything from this point. You can add a brand new list, and you could do branching, you could do, obviously segmentation. It's up to you, but that's for advanced users. But this one will suffice, and obviously what I've done is I put a loop back to day 3. So basically what you've got there is you've got an infinite list going on, but you might want to just put some tags throughout the list, and maybe switch them to a different list if you're getting somebody who, if you're getting leads who are clicking links or viewing your emails, you might want to consider switching them to a more of a hot list, so that you can segment your leads list. But that's not going to be for everyone. It's up to you what you want to do with that. But basically I've given you a jump start with some nice email follow-up series here, so you'll get access to those. So yeah, get on in the inside of MLM Lead Pro and you'll get access to the share codes, guys. So get on the link below. I'll give you access to MLM Lead Pro. You'll be able to join for free and get yourself set up. This is what I'm really passionate about, MLM Lead Pro. Why do I love MLM Lead Pro? Because I was the one who created it. I did it because with all the years of experience in running mailing lists and marketing systems and tools that are duplicatable, that this is what has really helped me in so many areas. I'm not, I tend to do, YouTube and Facebook and other things, but I also do cold traffic. And, when you're doing cold traffic and advertising, you want to have an ongoing continuation of email follow-ups, and you want to do it, you really want to focus on it. And I feel that, what I've done here with the MLM Lead Pro gives you the tools to help you do that. It's not automated in the sense that it's going to take over everything. It will take care of the heavy lifting, but you've got to be in there. If you're not going to, it's like any tool, guys. Like I often say, you use the tool, it'll leverage what you're doing. If you're not going to do anything to run your business, nothing's gonna happen. Okay, so yeah, come on in and use the system. It's free, and it's gonna help, because I'm always updating it, and people are often surprised, when they've been away for a few days and they come back and they see that I've actually added a whole lot of new stuff, new features and stuff to help the team duplicate. So this is this is good stuff. This is powerful. All right, well, So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the inside. Click on the link below, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to working with you guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.